sister. The light is poor. Let's stay here. Hello, sister. Can we get to know you, please? What's your name?
Tolala El Kafang. I'm the A&R for the music.
Okay. What's it been like? What do you think about this event?
Well, it's a great thing for people in the entertainment industry to come together to try to find solutions to problems that have been affecting progress and improvement financially, socially. Just making sure that the entertainment industry grows in the country, and it's a great thing for people to come around and just.
What do you think about Nigerian entertainment industry at present?
It's a developing industry. We're not as structured as international labels, and thank God that people are ready to come together and work together right now. I believe that within the next few years things will be better. Things are not so great right now, but at least things are moving forward and artists are getting things. There's a lot of problems relationship-wise that is being solved. Even today is being trashed out here.
Okay, I'm going to ask you a bit of a controversial question. Ice Prince, sorry, did I say Ice Prince? What's his name? Jesse. Jesse. What do you have to say about the whole Jesse situation? Can you just turn around and say something? Tell me about Jesse. What happened? You're an insider. Tell us what happened. Is this sibling rivalry?
There's nothing like that. Still love, still family. We're all still family. We all work together, all in the same circle. Jesse just wants to do something unique right now, and we all support and love him. There's still a great relationship between him, music, Chocolate City. Emma and him have a great relationship. They're strong brothers. They always take care of him.
Emma and Jesse are full brothers, are they?
Yes, full brothers.
Who is the senior brother?
Emma is the senior brother.
Okay, how many years are between them?
3.
3 years.
Yes.
And how many other siblings do they have?
Just one younger brother.
Okay, so, and he is not into music, I believe.
He handles Emma's website, emmabaga.com. You can check it out. Great website, crazy stuff. Purely hip hop, supports great artists in Nigeria.
Thanks a lot, man. Thanks.